Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to do a wide grip pull-up. Now the exercise tutorial instruction video that you're about to watch is part of a bigger workout that I did for a gym that I used to work in on the Gold Coast. So if it looks like it's part of that, that's why. I'm doing it with a dear friend of mine called Englishman, but I figured the instruction is still valid, it's very good, and therefore you'll still get what you need out of this exercise. So the wide grip pull-up tutorial video is coming right now.
The first exercise we've got for you is pull-ups, which are just here. This is the pull-up machine, and we'd like you to do what's called machine-assisted pull-ups. Now, Jasmine pointed out that when you're setting this machine up, one thing that's very, very important is that down here, as you can see on the stack, the heavier you make the stack, the easier the exercise is. It works on a counterbalance system. So to get onto the machine, you've got to be nice and careful. You have to jump onto, put your knees onto the knee pad just here. And you're going to take a nice wide grip. So as you can see here, Jasmine's got the wide grip set up. Did you have it too heavy, Jasmine?
Yeah.
There we go. So we're going to go on the outside grip on this machine for me here, rather than the inside grip. You can do that, but that makes it more of a chin-up, and we're trying to target the back a little bit more, which would be a wide grip pull-up. Then, as you do the pull-up, so as you can see, Jasmine's come down, she's got right out of her scapulas here, right out of her shoulder blades, and now I'm gonna ask her to send her elbows out as wide as possible, like angel wings, and she's gonna pull up till her chin comes all the way up to her hands again, like so. Good. Making sure she's squeezing the glutes. And one of the other key, very important things about this is that you think about pulling the bar down to you rather than pulling yourself up to your hands. And that will really help you as you do the pull-up. Let's just watch a few reps from the side. You can see what kind of height she gets. Lovely work, Jazz. Good. And that's the machine-assisted pull-up. Anything to add, Jasmine?
No.
No? You all set?
All good.
Brilliant.